Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-electric and redesigned 2025 Hyundai IONIQ. Buckle up, because this futuristic HEV is packed with innovation and style. Let's start with the stunning exterior. The 2025 IONIQ boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design that screams efficiency. The flowing lines and sculpted curves create a sense of movement, even when the car is parked. Hyundai has really outdone themselves with this head-turning design that's both futuristic and sophisticated. Interior. Moving inside, the IONIQ's cabin is a haven of comfort and technology. Spacious and airy, it features high-quality materials and thoughtful design touches that elevate the driving experience. The driver-centric cockpit puts all the essential controls within easy reach. The panoramic sunroof fills the interior with natural light, creating a truly open and inviting space. And speaking of technology, the IONIQ comes loaded with cutting-edge features. A large central touchscreen controls everything from the infotainment system to the climate control. A digital instrument cluster displays all the driving information you need in a clear and concise way. But the IONIQ isn't just about bells and whistles. Hyundai has prioritized safety with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Now, let's talk about what really matters: performance and range. The 2025 IONIQ offers two electric powertrain options, depending on your needs. The base model delivers a healthy dose of power for city driving, while the higher performance version offers exhilarating acceleration for those who enjoy a sportier feel. No matter which option you choose, you'll be impressed by the IONIQ's range. Hyundai estimates that the base model can travel over 300 miles on a single charge, making it a perfect choice for long road trips. The 2025 IONIQ is compatible with both Level 2 and DC fast charging. With a Level 2 charger, you can fully recharge the battery overnight at home. And if you're on the go, DC fast charging allows you to add a significant amount of range in just minutes. The 2025 Hyundai IONIQ is perfect for anyone who wants a stylish, comfortable, and eco-friendly driving experience. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend adventurer, the IONIQ has the range, performance, and technology to meet your needs. So, if you're looking for an electric vehicle that's both exciting and practical, the 2025 Hyundai IONIQ is definitely worth considering. With its impressive range, cutting-edge technology, and comfortable interior, the IONIQ is a compelling option for anyone looking to make the switch to electric driving. Thanks for joining me on this look at the 2025 Hyundai IONIQ. If you have any questions about this electric car, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more electric car reviews and news.